What is going on, guys? Welcome to Slade TV. Your boy's back, and we got another haul video. We got some anime grails. I got some stuff that I picked up at the store, so I figured I would go over that first. So let's start with FYE, and we keeping it pretty new and current. So I found this in store, the Piccolo with the driving exam, FYE exclusive, and yeah, this is a pretty cool pop. It like hasn't even come out online on FYE yet, but like I was just able to snag it at the store on the way out after the lady convinced me to do the 10% off monthly program deal again. You just cancel and resubscribe over and over again. I'm walking out and the lady goes, "You wouldn't be interested in this. We just got this in." And it was the Aizawa in sleeping bag, and I was like, "Damn, lady, you sold me. I'm in." And this is an FYE exclusive too. This isn't new, but it's a restock. And it's like a popular restock. Like, people were definitely very excited to have this pop come back out again. And then let's do we have box lunch here, and I got the box lunch exclusive Scooby-Doo. So, and this one's cool because it just has like this dog food or something on the back, do good. And it's like, it doesn't advertise any of the extra stuff. This is kind of like older pops used to be like this. So that's really nice. And besides that, I just got my hands on this Zenitsu and Iris. I have these pops already, but I had Hot Cash because Hot Cash and Box Lunch Cash are currently active, and the ones I ordered online came pretty beat. So I figured I'd get myself some with a nice sticker, with a nice condition or whatever. Hot Topic with the Hot Cash, we came up this week. So my store stocked the metallic Naruto Gara Hot Topic exclusive. We were able to snag a Geralt Chase. I was first online. They had one Geralt Chase, and they had one Yelena Chase. So I was the first person online. Only waited like 40 minutes, which is like perfectly fine. I saw that they had the Yelena and the Geralt in stock. I was like, maybe they got some chases. They didn't get a lot of stock, but they did happen to get one of each chase. So I was super happy to be able to get my hands on that. And I ordered this online. I opened the box. Just, I don't know why. I forgot for a second that I'm trying to make it as a YouTuber. I got the Fooly Cooly Mami Me with Takun, which is the cat, and this goes into completing my Fooly Cooly set. I have the Naoto over there. I think I got two more left, the Haruko and the robot. So now let's switch it up and start opening some packages. Definitely got some anime grills in there, so let's do it. Not exactly sure what I even ordered this week, to be honest, but I believe this is something from Mercari, and man's definitely bubble wrapped it up, which is super dope. Always appreciate the seller putting in that effort. We have a Neo from the Matrix, BAM exclusive, which is Books A Million. And yeah, this is in really good condition. Definitely glad I hopped on this because this thing was just rising in price. It came destroyed. This Target box came destroyed, so fingers crossed. It doesn't even need. Okay, so we do have a bubble wrap in here, so fingers crossed. 6-inch Target Con Black Luster Soldier. Man, is this thing beautiful or what? Like, damn, dude. So we got two pretty beautiful looking pops. Rather big box. If this is what I think it is, there should be a chance of a chase. So let's see how they do. And oh yeah, so Funko Shop sent me a box within a box. One of these might be a chase, so 2 and 2. So let's start with the first two, and like, this is pretty cool. Like, I don't even know like what the schmoove is, but they make sure that this stuff comes nice. So for sending 2 specifically, we have the glow in the dark Deku with Eri Funko exclusive, and this pop is so beautiful. Everyone was waiting for this for a hot minute. So this was very nice. Inserted at random. So we have the Funko Shop exclusive Silent Swordsman, level 0. We got more Yu-Gi-Oh! And just a regular old Zuko. This is the first time I've been sent a package from Amazon where the seller wanted signature confirmation. So you know this is some heat coming in. Indefinitely. And perfect sized box. And we have a Attack on Titan. I think this concludes the Attack on Titan pops I want overall. Annie Lionheart. And yeah, this is in very good condition. And in a pop protector, toydrops.com protector. And as you can see, this is the main thing. I was worried about ordering from Amazon because I don't see the pictures ahead of time. But this is what I was looking for. The faded barcode with this number, which is like the main wave that Annie came in. We got the location unboxing. Got 2 packages at the homie crib. And okay, so we have a long overdue Ken from Street Fighter, Toys R Us exclusive. You see the vibes. This completes my Street Fighter set. And then we definitely got a mini anime Grail pop in the mail. I hope this dude didn't scam me because of how quickly he sent it. Was expecting to get this like next month. Didn't touch that at all. Okay, nice and protected. This is the quickest shipping I've ever gotten in my life. Let's see if it's real. He packed it well. Oh yeah. Oh, he sent it in a hard stack. It's an extra $10, baby. Got a big box this time, and we're definitely changing locations throughout the course of this video because it's just I'm feeling mobile for this video. Let's switch up like the vibe. And there's definitely this is a big package from Hot Topic. Might be a few chances for a chase in here, maybe 2 pops. So, condition. So you could see here, we got the sorter, Hex Girls 3-pack. Definitely waited until I could take advantage of the hot cash, which is fine. Now we have a Hot Top exclusive Deathstroke, and the name is literally Slade TV for a reason. And it came in very nice condition, and no chase. But it's okay because I was able to get the Yelena chase in store. So I didn't mind just having like a regular Yelena with Scooby Snacks. Mind you, a lot of the stuff I bought here is because, and yeah, like it's coming like very minty from the warehouse with when you buy a lot of stuff. And what's this? We have a Oswald no chase cobble pot. And that's fine. I'll probably just keep this one. It's in very good condition too. So that's always nice. Buttercup, Powerpuff Girls. I wish they had the entire set online so I could use the hot cash on all of them. I'm kind of bummed I didn't get any chases. Oh, okay, the last 2 are just pop protectors. Because I just needed to fill the order up. Gotta get used to that. I honestly don't even know what this is. This is the common. And here we go. Pretty nice. This got here quicker than everything else, but it did get here in good condition. Shout out GameStop for packaging their collectibles much better now. All right, they did put this. Oh, okay. They put a lot of bubble wrap. Not bubble wrap, but whatever. It came in really good condition. They wrapped it up well. And here we go. I ordered 2. One of them's for my boy, and they sent it in a pop protector. And yeah, this pop is looking really nice. LA Con 21 show exclusive. It's coming a year later, so it's a pop from a 21 Comic-Con. And look at when it came. But yeah, this is still a really awesome pop. For the finale, we got a couple big packages here. As you can see. I don't think there's anything too crazy in here. I was just bulk buying like stuff, whether there's sales going on, or I bought like a bunch of like DC pops from this collector on Mercari. He gave me like a really good price. Like I paid like $8 per pop or something. So just let's do that apparently. But you know, we got some pops in here. All right, and we got a Trinity from the new Matrix set. Working on the Powerpuff Girls set for just nostalgic reasons. We got the Mojo Jojo here. I'm happy that all the Powerpuff Girls pops that I get are all coming in good condition. Because I feel like over time, these will definitely appreciate the more you appreciate something. And then we got this Johnny Bravo. Shout out my dude B on Key. Got this GameStop exclusive metallic Vegito. Honestly, they had the sale. I'm not really looking to buy any more Dragon Ball pops, but I had like space on my wall for like one more or something. I like the way it's packed. Like even inside the sorter, there's some type of paper in here. Like they're really giving it that nice personal touch and care. And this is a Dexter. So this will continue on with my Cartoon Network's box within a box. Double boxed. Oh, they have an option where you select, like, do you want collector's grade packaging? And I think that's what this is all about. So I have a Naruto soda, Deadpool soda, Iron Man soda, and a Neo soda. Okay, so once I lift this top seal, you guys can get a good look. Like he packaged this really nice. His thing here, every single pop individually packed. Let's just take them all out. We have a Harvey Bullock from Gotham. This is from the TV show. I just wanted to get like a 4-piece set of the old TV show. I did watch it, so I have like the nostalgia factor. Even though I do think the show was horrible, still it's like a little nostalgia factor. I gotta collect something of everything I've seen or anything that means something to me. Pops are a weird obsession, man. So I got this Oliver Queen Arrow, and this is pretty cool. It's from 2015. A lot of these pops are really old, and to get them for the price that I did, I know they're not worth anything, but it's still very nice. Then we have the Arrow from Arrow. This one's also 2015. This is back when pops were $8.95. I don't know which way that showed up correctly. $8.95, the good old days. And then when you got them on sale or whatever, they ran you like $4 or $5. 2016, Captain America Civil War, Captain America. Oh, very nice. I thought this was cool. I was surprised this wasn't worth anything. It's just like a classic Marvel Captain America, but it's a Kohl's exclusive. Never seen that, so I thought that was pretty cool. And then next, I basically got a Teen Titans Go set. I have one, which is the Rose Wilson, because Slade TV, you know, Slade Wilson. I collected everything with Deathstroke, so I had the Rose Wilson already. But we got Terra from Teen Titans Go, and these are all Toys R Us exclusives except for Robin with Baby. It's like Nightwing, but he's Robin. And yeah, it was a Hot Topic exclusive. Got it for cheaper than I would have gotten it in the store because those were still $12.50 at the time. We got Blackfire, and I really love the Toys R Us exclusive sticker. We have Jinx. I really want a Jinx pop from League of Legends, but it's going for a lot of money, so I don't know when I'll get around to it. This one is like really mint. It's Raven as Wonder Woman. I thought this one was really cool. Then we have Starfire as Flash. I have a regular Raven, but it's like the orange color variant. And then we have a Robin as Batman. So that's basically it for the haul from like that guy. This was a pretty big haul overall in this video. Got a bunch of packages, kind of spaced it out in terms of like when I opened them, but then I brought the video together. It's kind of how I might do it from now on, because I get a lot of packages and I want to get rid of the boxes and the packing and stuff timely instead of letting it stack and giving myself a lot of work. But thank you for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, comment as always, and till next time.